Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction and my Quailridge video. I'm going to show you a 2010 Quailridge trailer. Its designation is Quailridge model 39Clkd. It's gray with black shutters and white trim. It's built by Forest River in Elkhart, Indiana. We've got a lot of wind here today, so I'm not spending much time on the outside. Just give you a brief look, and we'll go on in and see the good features we have inside. It's got a house-type rear entry door and grids in all the windows. We have plank wood linoleum on the entire main floor. The sofa is a sleeper sofa. The windows are all thermopane windows. Lots of light in here. Ceiling fan in the main room. Mastercraft recliner, standard. Storage under the kitchen chairs. Dining room hutch. This one has the maple interior. It's a lighter interior. Some standards on the Quailridge is the 30-inch range and the 30-inch microwave. We also have a 56,000 BTU furnace, 18 cubic foot fridge, little coat closet here, house type rear entry door. One of the advantages to not having a center loft is you don't have to step down into the bedroom. As you can see, there's no step there. And you can have a ceiling fan overhead because it's more than 6'8" tall. This is the his and hers Quailridge wardrobe. Lights in the closets. Breakers behind the mirrors. That's the electrical panel, rather. I'll show you the bathroom in here. Nice big bathroom. Medicine cabinet. Vanity. Fiberglass one-piece tub and shower surround. Over here is the linen closet. I don't know how well you can see it, but you can kind of get the idea. Porcelain toilet. These are completely ready to go to your campsite. Hook up water, sewer, and electric and LP gas, and you're ready to go camping. Give you a look at the loft up here. It's a pretty good sized loft. I'm going to estimate its height at about 40 inches. You could sleep several adults up here. There's outlets and a TV hookup for a cable TV. Adults sleep up there. Kids love to play up there. This is the part where we can talk about how much they cost. MSRP is $45,851. You can buy this one for just under $40,000. That's a screaming deal on a 2010 Quailridge. That's 120 payments of $411.58 or 180 payments of $339.04 with approved credit. We calculate the payment based on 20% down. Sometimes we can get you financed with 10% down. We do take trade-ins, and trade-ins can be a percentage, if not all, of the down payment. Okay. Ready to move on to the next trailer. Just want to make sure that you see how great big open this floor plan is. Very nice Quailridge center loft model. Everything in it stays in it. All the decorations go. Okay. We'll move on to the next one.